Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll show you how to play around the notebooks within Jupyter Lab. We open a notebook here and I can see a cell of code here where I can type the Python code, for example, a multiplication. To execute this cell of code, I press Shift and Enter. Now if I want to use a library, I type import the name of the library, I execute with Shift Enter, and then I access a function to load a dataset. I can save the dataset into a variable, for example Seaborn, df, and now I can execute a histogram. Now if I want to add some structure to the notebook, I can go to these three lines where it will show the table of contents. Then I click here, I create a new cell, I put it as Markdown so that the text that I introduce is interpreted as a line of text, and then here I type import library, and then to the left side I add a hashtag so that I have a heading. I execute and here I can see the heading. I can, instead of pressing here in the plus, create a new cell below pressing the V and having the mode of the cell in command, which is not the same than having the mode in edit. If I press V here, it just type V. Then I put here load dataset, escape to enter on command mode, and the 1 to create a heading. I could put a second order heading by pressing the 2, and then I execute, and I can see how this heading is a bit to the right. I can do the same for the histogram here. I create a new cell below with V, enter, and then I type histogram, escape, and the 3 to add a third order heading. So I hope that you understand how to create code within a notebook and how to structure it with the Markdown cells and to write the code with the code cells. So I hope that you have clear how to work with a notebook in Jupyter Lab, that you know how to create cells of code or Markdown to place text or headers. If you have any doubt, you can leave me a comment. I'd love to have your feedback to improve my materials.